In today's video, I'm going to teach you open the preferences window. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Blender to access the controls that shape how the interface looks and behaves so you can work more comfortably and efficiently. Start with Blender open on your screen. At the very top of the application window, you'll see the main menu bar. Move your mouse to the edit menu and click it to reveal the drop-down. From there, choose Preferences. This opens the Preferences panel, which is the central place for adjusting how Blender feels to use. Depending on your setup, it may appear as a separate window or as a panel layered on top of your main workspace. Either way, you're in the right place. On the left side of the Preferences panel, you'll notice a vertical list of categories. Find the one labeled Interface and select it. This is where all UI customization options live. Think of the Interface tab as your dashboard for visual clarity and usability. It brings together the settings that change how elements look on screen, how large or small things appear, and how information is presented as you work. Once you're in the Interface tab, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The right side is organized into sections that you can expand and collapse. As you hover over individual options, Blender displays helpful tooltips that explain what each setting controls. This makes it easier to understand the impact of a change before you commit to it. Here, you'll typically find options related to overall UI scaling and readability, such as interface size and text clarity. You'll also see controls that influence how tooltips appear, how gizmos and overlays display in the viewport, and how menus and panels animate and expand. These choices affect day-to-day comfort, especially if you spend long stretches in front of the screen or use a high-resolution display. The best part is that adjustments take effect immediately, so you can see the difference right away and refine as needed. To recap the path, go to the Edit menu at the top, choose Preferences, and then click the Interface tab on the left. From there, you're in the hub for tailoring Blender's look and responsiveness to match your workflow. Take your time exploring the descriptions next to each option, make gradual tweaks, and notice how small changes can make your workspace clearer and more enjoyable. That's all you need to confidently open the Preferences window and navigate to the